Hey guys, this is Professor Cardz, and we have just announced the biggest and boldest credit card tournament in history. Now you don't need to, throw your credit cards to win. You just need to take a photograph and upload it on the post which is in Twitter. As you can see over here, we have explained the rules properly. You can pause and read. Basically, there will be total of 11 winners, out of which 4 quarterfinalists, 4 semi-finalists and 2 finalists will be the winner, except the one winner who will get the biggest prize. And apart from that, what are the prizes? We have 2 Book My Show vouchers, 2 Cult Fit Elite vouchers, 2 Thyrocare vouchers, 4 Amazon vouchers and 1 Paytm recharge code. And every 100 likes on the post will add 1 prize. So to get the maximum number of winners, we need to reach 1000 likes on that post. That's very easy and we can do it, I know. So thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Let us reach the heights that this CC Geek community is supposed to reach, and let this tournament begin. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.